I just got myself one of the most uniquely designed watches that I guarantee that you've never ever seen before. Sovrygn is an up-and-coming watch brand from Canada, and they are really changing the watch game. They have one-of-a-kind designs that you don't find from any other brands. They make high-quality automatic watches, and I was lucky enough to get my hands on one of them. So in this video, I'm going to give you my honest opinion on the Sovrygn watch brand, and hopefully this video helps out anybody who's thinking about buying a watch from Sovrygn. So keep watching.
Let's start off with an unboxing. This is the case that the watch comes in. Super cool and unique design. Never seen a watch come in this tube style casing before. Open up like this, and here it is, the Sovrygn calendar watch. First impression, this watch is a beauty. This is one of the 6 variations that they have available. The one I have is the rose wine color. It's so different from any other watches I've seen. The deep wine color dial along with the gold markers make the watch look so classy. To get the watch off the case, you gotta snap the buttons on the side like this, and here it is. Now let's remove the plastic wrapping and get onto some watch ASMR. Moving on to the dimensions, case diameter is 39mm, thickness is 13mm, lug to lug is 47mm, lug width is 20mm, and comes in weighing at 170 grams. The watch features a 316L stainless steel case. This type of material has less carbon than your standard 316, which means it can handle high temperature and corrosion a lot better. You see this type of material used in marine applications, so you know this case is going to be durable. This watch also features a sapphire crystal glass, which is a huge plus. The case has a brushed finish on the sides and bezels polished. The brushing is done very well with very even strokes throughout the whole case. The edges are chamfered. At the sides you can see the Sovrygn logo engraving. For the dial, this is a calendar style. So you have your month sub-dial at the 3 o'clock position. There's hatch marks that represent every other month, since listing out each month won't fit in this small sub-dial. At the 9 o'clock you have the day of the week, and then a 24-hour sub-dial at the 6 o'clock position. The sub-dial has a different texture from other sub-dials. As you can see, it has some of a grainy finish. The date wheel is between the 4 and 5 o'clock position. Power reserve at the 12 o'clock position. It has a power reserve of 40 hours. Let's talk about how to set up this watch. It's a lot easier than you think. This is a screw down crown, so first unscrew the crown until you feel the light pop. This is the first position, and it's for self-winding. Turn it clockwise and you see the power reserve hand increasing. Pull the crown again for the second position. Turn clockwise to set the date, and then turn counterclockwise to set the day of the week on the 9 o'clock sub-dial. Pull the crown one last time for the third position, and this is to adjust the time. To change the month, use the pusher at the 2 o'clock. Let's take a look at the back of the watch. The Caseback is mineral crystal glass. The engraving says 10 ATM water resistance, 316L stainless steel, and Sovrygn automatic movement. This watch features a super unique custom rotor with its logo engraved on. This is a Miyota 9100 movement. It has 26 joules and beats at 28,800 beats per hour. Moving on to the bracelet, it has a very cool design. It has a brushed finish on the rectangular links and polish in the center oval portion. There's quick release pins, which is a huge plus. Taking a look at the clasp, this is a butterfly clasp, and you have the S logo at the end. The bracelet has a 20mm lug width and tapers to 18mm, which pairs well with small wrists like myself. Let's do a quick lume test on this. So this is how it looks after holding it up against a flashlight for 5 minutes. As you can see, this is a BGW9 lume, which is super high quality. All the markers and hands are filled with blue lume. The lume looks very even and smooth. The hand is legible, especially the markers. You have no problem telling time in the dark. Let's move on to the fit. For reference, my wrist is 6 3/4 inches, which is on the thin side for guys. The 39mm watch face looks great on my wrist. It's not too big or too small. 39mm is definitely a versatile size for a wide range of wrist sizes. Taking a look at the side view, the case sits nicely along my wrist. It's not too straight and it's not overly thick as well. Overall, I love the design of this watch. It fits great on my wrist and it's very comfortable. In case you're not into bracelets, this watch also has a leather strap option. Here's a leather strap with a custom clasp. Really nice golden clasps to match the gold casing on the watch. It's fully polished. This is genuine leather that has an alligator skin texture. This is how it looks on me, and it honestly looks amazing with the leather strap. The black leather matches so well with the black sub-dials. Black and gold is a color combination that you can never go wrong with. Then you throw in some deep red into the mix and it really just puts this watch at another level. Here it is side by side. As you can see, you can't go wrong with either the bracelet or leather strap. Both options will make you stand out from the crowd.
So time for my final verdict. I love how everything in this watch is custom made. It's far from those generic fast fashion watch brands that you see popping up everywhere. Sovrygn's calendar watch is a beautiful timepiece that really shows that they care about their quality and craftsmanship. I do recommend every watch enthusiast to add this to their collection. So that's it for this week's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.